Bidet sprayers, also known as handheld bidets or shat taps, are a popular and cost-effective way to improve your bathroom hygiene. These devices are attached to the side of the toilet and feature a flexible hose with a nozzle that can be directed for precise cleaning. There are various models available with adjustable water pressure, spray patterns, and additional features such as a built-in shut-off valve or self-cleaning nozzle. Reading bidet sprayer reviews can help you choose the right model for your needs and budget. Bidet sprayers are easy to install without the need for professional plumbing services, making them a practical and convenient choice for any bathroom. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showcasing the best bidet sprayers for toilets available in the market. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on my latest content and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's dive right in. According to our assessment, the product from Vitbirih has secured the 5th position. 304 stainless steel bidet sprayer for toilet will fit for most toilets in America. Come with all the parts for installation, no need to buy any tool. The hand sprayer bidet will improve personal hygiene, especially for women pregnancy and menstrual cycles. Toilet tank mounted clamp the holder to the edge of the toilet tank cover, saving the bathroom space and no need to drill hole. Wall-mounted use screws with anchors to fix the holder without hook to the wall, meeting different needs but need to drill hole. Muslin shower allows you to easily clean sensitive parts every time you use the bathroom. The upgraded hose for toilet sprayer has dual protection, high-quality 304 stainless steel shell, and the inner tube is made of quality braid, which can effectively prevent the hose from bursting to make the hose more durable and last longer. You can get more money for value with Vitbirih jet spray for toilet. Pressing the different strength of the toilet bidet sprayer handle to control the water pressure from gentle spray to jet spray. Gentle press mode for feminine bottom cleaning, baby bath, or pet bath washing. As per our ranking system, the not applicable brand has been placed in the 4th position on the list of top products. Jet spray mode and soft spray mode, lift lever open mode and press mode, they combine to 4 water spray modes, suitable for multi-scenario water spraying applications. This bidet sprayer head built with unrivaled water flow switching technology, more comfortable to switch different modes and operate it easily. External stainless steel hose, built-in high-density nylon braided hose, both of them is coiled to maximize flexibility and prevent burst leakage, and the hose end adopts superior silica gel washer, enhancing sealing performance. Brass bidet adapter with ceramic core and a rubber O-ring is resistant to high pressure and water leakage. There is no need to close the T-valve after each use. This reinforced leak-proof design exceeds 30% competing products. T-valve adapter is constructed of higher durable brass and assembled the safer ceramic cartridge. This bidet sprayer selects surpasses industry durability standards engineering plastics, prolonging its service life. No residue, no damage to the wall. What's more, this bidet sprayer holder will not scratch the toilet tank or leave rust stains, helping you to keep toilet clean effortlessly. Excellent waterproof ability makes it works well in a humid environment. The 3rd spot on our list has been secured by a product made by the Nadico brand. This handheld bidet sprayer for toilets with hot and cold water, you will have more choices to choose from, and it is much more convenient than others that have only cold water. We care about you to provide you with an adjustable bidet sprayer with warm water. The multi-purpose usage handheld bidet sprayer hot and cold water is not only for floor cleaning or toilet cleaning as a toilet sprayer washer, but also is ideal for personal hygiene like feminine wash, women during pregnancy, ideal for elderly adults. As well as for pet shower, works as a baby cloth diaper sprayer. A great cleaning bidet sprayer kit for a whole family. This brushed nickel handheld bidet sprayer for the toilet is made of 304 stainless steel. A 48-inch high-pressure explosion-proof stainless steel hose is along with the sprayer. Both sides of the hose are made from brass and polished chrome finish. as well as the stainless steel sprayer holder. The bidet sprayer for toilet with warm water has two functions of spraying. As for our ranking, Lufedra has secured the second position among all other brands. The bidet sprayer for toilet is available in two hydraulic modes, jet spray and soft spray modes. Control the water pressure with gently press, meeting your different cleaning requirement for pets, kids and the whole family. The handheld bidet is not only ideal for personal hygiene, but also used for pet cleaning, baby cloth diaper sprayer, muslin shower, women during pregnancy, floor cleaning etc. It will make the dirty work of cleaning toilets much easier. The bidet sprayer is made of quality 304 stainless steel for enhanced durability, oxidation and corrosion resistance. The bidet hose high-density braided reinforcement to enhance the leak-proof and filtration effect. This toilet bidet is of fine workmanship and all the edges are smooth enough to avoid hurting your hands during using. It is the best choice for daily cleaning and achieve all-round cleaning that is more hygienic. The handheld bidet set can be mounted in two ways, wall-mounted with screws and toilet tank mounted without drilling. The nice jet spray with dense water design ensure a strong decontamination ability for your life to bring more convenience. The top position on our list has been claimed by the product manufactured by the BRITULIF brand. The hand bidet sprayer for toilet set supports tank mount and wall mount. Tank-mounted installation: simply hook bidet sprayer head holder to your toilet tank, saving bathroom space and no need to drill holes. Wall-mounted installation available to supply multiple use according to your different needs, such as cloth diaper sprayer, pet shower, car wash, baby shower, and so on. You can control the water pressure by pressing the handheld bidet lever. You are sure to love the strong jet spray for toilet when the handle is fully pressed. Once the lever is released, it will automatically stop spraying. You can enjoy the fresh and clean feeling after use. Nylon T-valve for perfect match, black washer for sealing well, brass valve for leakage free. Every design of your handheld bidet for toilet is to prevent leakage, so that you can buy it at ease and use it comfortably. Your satisfaction is our greatest motivation. Are you looking for a high-quality handheld bidet sprayer for toilet device to meet your bathroom cleaning needs? This handheld sprayer kit is made of 304 stainless steel with higher durability, oxidation resistance and corrosion resistance, which will surely satisfy you. We highly appreciate your thoughts and opinions on the bidet sprayer for toilet that caught your attention. Your feedback could be helpful for other potential buyers, and we value your input immensely. Kindly share your comments in the section below.